National Weather Service in North Platte has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for east central Cherry County in north central Nebraska, northwestern Brown County in north central Nebraska, southwestern Keya County in north central Nebraska, until 9:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:27 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 11 miles northwest of Johnstown, or 20 miles northwest of Aidsworth, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Johnstown, Wood Lake, Antelope Peak, Medville, North River Trail, and Bobcat State Wildlife Management Area. This includes Highway 20 between mile markers 214 and 239. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Cherry, Nebraska,